Alright, so this is the passenger side of the car, 2012 Honda Accord. Your cabin air filter's behind in here. To open it, you do this. Okay, this piece right here, don't break this off. All you got to do is just take your finger here, push. That will loosen it and take it under. Then you have these little hooks right here. Take your finger and you're going to push it like this on both sides and then lower it down at the same time. Okay, so that's what I did. That has to be unhooked. If you don't do that, you'll snap this plastic piece off. And then your filter is right in here. Little tab right here. Push it to the right. And there's one on this side too you gotta do. You kinda need two hands, but one will work. Something just hit me. But when you get those pressed, pull straight out. And that's kind of what they look like right there. You just push them in. And then that's your cabin air filter. Really should look like that. This one here probably should be replaced. I'm gonna at least swipe it out for my mom. This is her car. I figure at least make it better than it is. To get out, you just pull it out like this. Just goes in, you just yank the thing out. Gonna do this though. If it was my car, I'd probably replace it. My mom, I don't know if she's gonna spend the money on it though. But yeah, really not terrible anymore to doing that. Still crapping it though. I mean, I would still change it out. That's just me. I'm gonna put it back in and slide in like this. You want the ridges to go in the same direction as that, so it goes in like this, not like that. You want it in like this. And then to put it in, just slide it back on in, push it, you'll hear it snap and you're done. Then to put this up, you just lift it up, it snaps in by itself. Grab that, lift up a little. Okay, what you gotta do is you gotta grab this, have that underneath that, push up and snap in, you're done. So, this kind of hooks in like that, press it out to unlatch it, and then to put it back in, you just press it back in like that, and you're done. Then put all the stuff back in the car, the glove box where it goes. There you go, you're done. And again, this is a 2012 Honda Accord. I'm not sure what year models this goes for Hondas. But that's all it takes for that. So I'll probably make a video about doing brakes on this. This car needs brakes soon anyway. Just oil change. I checked the air filter on it. Belt probably could stand to be replaced soon too, but that was the AC fix that I did on this car a while back, where somebody cut the wires on here on purpose from one of the fast lube places, so I had to replace the wires for the AC, but at least now it works. But alright, that's it for now. We'll talk to you guys later.